In this lesson, lesson 3.1, our essential question is, repeat after me, how can you use doubles facts to find sums for near doubles facts? All right, so what I want you to do is open up to page 164. On this page, we're going to be using doubles facts, and as we learned, doubles facts are facts whose add-ins, the numbers we add together, are the same. So here is a list of the doubles facts all the way up to 9 plus 9. So we add two of the same add-ins together to equal the sum. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. This chart is displayed in our classroom if you need to refer to the doubles facts for this lesson or any time that you are solving near doubles facts, which is what we're going to be talking about today. So near doubles facts are going to be facts that are similar to doubles facts, but the difference is one of the numbers in a near doubles fact is going to be either one more or one less than the other add-in. So near doubles facts are facts whose add-ins can be found next to each other on the number line, such as 7 plus 8, 8 plus 7, 2 plus 3, or 3 plus 2. The numbers that you add together, the add-ins, are right next to each other on the number line. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the model and draw on this page. It says you can use doubles facts to find sums for other facts. For example, we have 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, as you can see, are add-ins that come right next to each other on the number line. So one thing that we can do is we can double the larger add-in. So 4, if we were to, I'm sorry, not 4, the smaller add-in. If we doubled the smaller add-in 3, we know that 3 plus 3 equals 6, but 4 is one more than 3. So we would add one more to the 6. So 6 plus one more equals 7. So therefore, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Go ahead and pause the video and write that sum in. Another example is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 come to next to each other on the number line. So if we were to double the larger add-in, 7, 7 plus 7 we know equals 14. But when we double the 7, we're really adding 6 to the 7, and 6 is one less. So when we add 7 plus 7 equals 14, we're going to subtract 1 from that because 6 is one less. So 14 minus 1 is 13. So therefore 7 plus 6 equals 13. Go ahead and pause the video to write that in. So what we're going to do, go ahead and look at number 1. We are going to decide which of the add-ins that we are going to double. So you might double the smaller, the less add-ins, and then you know that you'll need to add one more to that because the other add-in would be one more. Or you can choose to double the larger add-in, but you know that the other add-in is one less, so you would need to take one from that. So underneath here, before we write the sum, we want to try to use this strategy. So we need to think of a doubles fact we can use in order to solve 2 plus 3. So we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and double the 2, the smaller add-in. So I'm going to write a doubles facts that we can use to solve this sum. So 2, if I double that, plus 2, I know equals 4. If 2 plus 2 equals 4, then I know that 2 plus 3 is going to be one more than 2 plus 2 because 3 is one more. So what's one more than 2 plus 2? That's right, it would be 5 because 5 is one more than 4. Go ahead and pause the video and write that in. All right, next, let's look at the second one. We have 4 plus 5. Instead of figuring out first what 4 plus 5 is, let's try to use this strategy. So this time, let's double the larger addend. So let's double the 5. So if we double 5, 5 plus 5, I know equals 10. Well, if 5 plus 5 equals 10, then I know that 4 plus 5 is going to be 1 less because 4 is 1 less than 5. So 1 less than 10 would be 9. All right, I would like to challenge you to continue doing these problems. I would like you to make sure that you choose to double either the larger or smaller addend. And just keep in mind that when you double the smaller addend, you know that you're going to add 1 more to that sum to get the answer. Or if you choose to double the larger addend, you're going to take 1 away from that answer. All right, go ahead. I'd like you to complete these problems and all the way to problem number 14 on the next page. When you're finished, you may put your workbook back in your workbox, and you may go ahead and get on Freckle or Prodigy.